formal setting polite.
Good morning. My name is Mr. Johnson.
Good morning, Mr. Johnson. I'm Emily Clark. It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is mine. What do you do?
I'm an accountant. And you?
I work as a project manager. Nice to connect with you.
At a party.
Hi. I don't think we've met before.
No, we haven't. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. How do you know the host?
Oh, we went to college together. What about you?
He's my coworker. Small world.
At work professional.
Hello, you must be the new team member.
Yes, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, Daniel. I'm Anna, the team leader.
Thank you. I'm excited to start working with everyone.
We're glad to have you on board.
Casual introduction friendly.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hi Alex, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just moved to this city last month.
Oh, welcome. I think you'll like it here.
At a class/workshop.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit.
Thanks. I'm Mia.
Hi Mia, I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time taking this class?
Yes, it is. How about you?
Same here. Looks like it'll be fun.
At the gym.
Hi, is anyone using this machine?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, I'm Kevin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin. I'm Mark. Do you come here often?
Yeah, a few times a week. What about you?
Same here. It's a good place to train.
On public transport.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit.
Thanks. I'm Rachel.
Hi Rachel, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, it's part of my daily commute.
A cafe.
Hi, do you mind if I sit here? All the other tables are full.
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. I'm Emma.
Hi Emma, I'm Chris. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I love their coffee.
Me too. It's the best in town.
On vacation tour group.
Hi there, I'm Lucy.
Hi Lucy, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia. First time here?
Yes, and I'm really excited.